have taken your stationery? Yes? Very good. In that stationery, you have got a book named as My First Step with Cambridge, Book of Wellness. Just have a look. Is it there with you? Yes, it is there. This book is there with you. So, all of you take this book, Book of Wellness. The name of book is Book of Wellness. Today, we are going to study about some feelings, okay? Some good habits. Let's see. Take your Book of Wellness. Be ready. Okay? Open your book. Open your book. Be ready. Open page number 2. Take nicely sharpened pencil and an eraser. We will wait for 2 minutes. Let all of them get ready. Then we will start our session. Okay, children? So, get ready fast. Okay, all are ready? Now, children, I am going to show you some slides, okay? You have to tell me what are that, okay? Which type of faces I am going to show you, you have to name them, okay? Now see here, which type of face feeling it is? Which type of face feeling? When you are smiling, when your face is smiling, then what does it means? When do you smile? When you are crying, you will smile? No, when you are very happy, when you are very happy, at that time, you smile, isn't it? When you are very happy, you are full of happy. What do? You smile, isn't it? You smile. Okay? Which type of feeling? Smiling is which type of feeling? Happiness feeling, isn't it? Smiling indicates that you are very happy, isn't it? Now you tell me which type of feeling? Crying, which type of feeling? Something has hurt you. Something has hurt you. You are in pain. At that time, what do? You start crying, isn't it? The crying feeling indicates that you are in pain, isn't it? Crying, this type of feeling indicates that you are in pain, isn't it? Now, tell me this one, which type of feeling? Oh, which type of feeling? Yes, correct. Angry feeling. Angry feeling. The feeling which makes you irritated. The things which make you irritated, what do you do then? To show your angriness? Yes, what did you, oh, you show your angriness, no? I don't like this, don't do it. If someone is troubling you and you don't like that, what do you do then? When your friends are troubling to you, then what do? The things which you don't like and the same thing your friends are doing, what do? You show your angriness. You show your feeling of angriness. Ah, don't do this. I don't like it. Like this you show, no? Yes, this type of feeling is known as angriness. Okay? Now, which type of feeling? Yes? Which type of feeling? Mm. Yes, sadness feeling. Sadness feeling. If you want something from your mummy papa and they won't buy and give you, what do you then do? You show your angriness. You go and sit on one sofa and what do you do? You show your sadness. You don't talk to anyone. If somebody is talking to you, what do? You don't reply them. You will sit like this. Isn't it? This type of feeling indicates that you are sad. You are sad. This one, feeling of happiness. Feeling happy. Crying feeling. Angry feeling. Sad feeling. Isn't it? Do you understand the meaning of feelings? The expression what you show on your face is known as feeling. The expression what you show on your face is known as our feeling. Okay, let's see. Now children, open page number 2. Be ready. The name of the lesson is feelings. Feelings. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? Let's see.
Feelings. How do you feel today? We can have different feelings. We can feel weepy, scared, happy, crying, angry, curious, sad, excited, naughty.
Did you understood? Now.
Scared Tommy.
My name is Tumi and I'm scared. Mama says it's okay to be scared.
Everybody gets scared.
What if there is a monster under my bed?
Then I will tell it to go away.
What if a whale swallows me at the beach?
Then your big sister, Kamo, and I will swim inside the whale's mouth to rescue you.
What if I can't say ABC and the other kids laugh at me?
Then Teacher Jill will help you remember.
Everybody gets scared. Mama says it's okay to be scared.
Okay. Did you all understood the feelings? Yes? Did you all understood what is the meaning of feelings? Yes? Okay. Now children, now today, how is your feeling? How is your feeling? Tell me. See, now today your birthday is there. If today your birthday is there, then what will be your feeling? You will be sad, you will be angry, or you will be happy. Yes, tell me. See, today if your birthday is there, then what will be your feeling? You will cry, you will get angry, or you will be happy. Yes, on birthday, how you will feel? Yes, you will feel happy, isn't it? So, put a tick mark. Put a tick mark on the happy face. Okay. Did you all done it? Fine. Come to second row. Okay, children. If your friends are teasing you, they are doing what you don't like. Your friends are doing the same thing. They are troubling you. Then what will be your feeling? You will cry, you will get angry, or you will be confused. Yes? You will get angry, isn't it? So, put a tick mark on the angry. Okay, come to next row. See, if you want to do some naughty things, you want to just do naughty things, what you will do? You will hide your mama's purse or something you will hide. And your mother and father are searching the same belonging. Okay, for example, like mama's phone or papa's mobile phone. What you will do? You will just hide them, and your mother and father are searching them. Then which type of feeling is that? मस्ती वाली फीलिंग. मस्ती करना है आपको मम्मी पापा के साथ, और आप क्या करते हो? मम्मी का फोन छुपा देते हो. तो वो कौन सी वाली फीलिंग हो गई? हाँ? Yes, correct. Naughty feeling. So, put a tick mark on naughty feeling. Okay? Did you all understood? What is the meaning of feelings? The expression, the feeling which is there inside of happiness, sadness, angriness, confusion. Yes? All these type of feelings you can identify through your face. Okay? Did you all enjoy it? The session was very interesting, isn't it? Once again, you study at home, you revise the lesson with your mama. Till then, goodbye. We'll meet in next session.